This is my all-time favorite pendulum clock. It's got all the features of many of my other clocks, as in large exposed gears, the escapement that's highly visible, but this clock also adds a moon phase dial that accurately tells you the phases of the moon, and you can adjust that to the correct phase. It will maintain the accuracy of the moon phase within about 1 day every 2.5 years. The large clock has an 8-inch dial, so it needs a printer that has a bed that's at least 8 inches or 205 by 205 millimeters. There's been some requests for something a little smaller, so I designed one with the 6.5-inch dial, and this is suitable for printing on a Prusa Mini or a Bamboo Lab A1 Mini or anything with about a 165 by 165 millimeter bed. All of the other parts are smaller than the dial, so as long as the dial will fit, you can print this clock. There were several enhancements to this clock over the past year. The most important change is a new gear profile that I call perfect print gears that makes this clock significantly more stable and reliable. The original clock used an involute style gear and it ran pretty well, but the new clock uses a cycloidal derived gear. I call them perfect print gears because they've been optimized for 3D printing, and because it's a cycloidal style gear, that works really good in a clock to lower the maximum friction so that the clock is less likely to stop. The new gear profile is the most significant change. The teeth are just a little bit longer than the original, so 2 components in the bottom of the frame had to be enlarged. If you've already built one of the older clocks and you want to make it more reliable, you only need to reprint 2 of the frame components and then a new set of gears. A few other changes that were made is a new moon dial. This is from George Méliès's 1902 movie, A Trip to the Moon. And there are test cookies that you can experiment with different layer heights to give a full black and white with a little bit of 3D relief, or a slightly modified design with the color change at a different position. You can print the test cookies for the new moon dial or the older moon dials. This is the flat moon dial with 2 different layer heights, or the 3D moon that was in the original design as well. And there are test cookies for the modifications to the globe. All of this can be printed on a monochrome printer. In fact, that's all I own is monochrome printers with just manual pauses and changing the filament to change the color. It takes about 5 layer changes for the dial, including the globes and the lettering. The moon phase gear just takes a single color change to go from black to white. But both of these clocks have run times of 8 days. This one takes about 70 hours on a modern printer with input shaping. The larger clock takes about 90. There's about 1.3 kilograms of filament in the smaller clock and 1.6 in the larger. That's a one-time cost, and then you should be able to enjoy these clocks for many, many years. The update to this clock is available on MyMiniFactory. If you've already purchased the clock in the past, then you have free access to download it again as long as you can still log into your account. And this is a new design available on MyMiniFactory now. Hope you enjoy these new clocks, and thanks for watching.